Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to use yarn in size 4 medium. I'll be using yarn in two different colors and a crochet hook is in size 4 millimeters. So I'll start by making a slip knot and then I'll chain 72. So now that I've chained 72, on the last chain from a hook I'll make a slip stitch. So when we're making this pattern on the round, we need to chain multiples of 6. So now that we've created a foundation chain, I'll chain 3. This is row 1. Now through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. I'll chain 3. Now I'll skip the next 3 chains. Through this 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make a puff stitch. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's our first puff stitch. Now through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Again I'll chain 3. I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make 1 puff stitch, so I'll go through the chain 4 times. Through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Again I'll chain 3. I'll skip the next 3 chains and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next chain I'll make a puff stitch, so I'll go through the chain 4 times. Through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. I'll skip the next 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and through this 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through the next chain I'll make a puff stitch, so I'll go through the chain 4 times. Through this next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. So repeat this throughout row 1. Now to finish row 1 I'll chain 3 and I'll skip the next 3 chains. Through this 4th chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Then right there through the last chain I'll make a puff stitch. Now through this first double crochet here I'll make a slip stitch. So this completes row 1. Now I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. I'll use yarn in different color. Now right here through this first puff stitch chain, I insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through chain 1, and through the same chain I'll make 1 single crochet. And this is row 2. Now I'll chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Through this next puff stitch chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Through this next puff stitch chain I'll make 1 single crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Through this next puff stitch chain I'll make 1 single crochet. So I'll repeat this throughout row 2. Now to finish row 2 I'll chain 3 and through this first single crochet chain I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 2. Now for row 3 I'll repeat row 1. So now you see here we have this first double crochet. On both sides we have a 3 chain loop. So through this first 3 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I will chain 3, then through this next double crochet I will make a puff stitch. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Again I'll chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next double crochet I'll make a puff stitch. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next double crochet chain I'll make a puff stitch. So I'll go through the loop 4 times. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Chain 3. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next double crochet I'll make a puff stitch. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 1 double crochet. So this completes. So we repeat this throughout row 3. Now to finish row 3 I'll chain 3, then through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1 and then I'll cut this yarn. So this pattern is just a 2 row repeat. So we repeat rows 2 and 3 for the pattern. Row 1 is same as row 3, it's just that it's made on the foundation row. So yeah, for the pattern repeat rows 2 and 3. So we repeat this until our work measures, well, it's almost 7 inches. It's a bit more than 6.5 inches. So now I'll start to decrease. I want this hat to be a beanie. So let's see what we can do to decrease. Alright, so first through this first 3 chain loop I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through this slip knot loop and pull through. Now I'll chain 3. I might have to deteriorate my pattern quite a lot now. Now through that same loop I'll make 1 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, 2 double crochet. Through this next 3 chain loop, 2 double crochet. Let me see which row is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is row 13. So through every 3 chain loop I'll make 2 double crochet, and we repeat this throughout row 13. So now to finish row 13, right here through this third chain I'll make a slip stitch. I'll chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 13. Now for row 14 I'll use yarn again in a different color. We are way off the pattern, but you know, it's okay. Now through this first double crochet chain I insert my hook, then I insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. Again I'll chain 3, then through the next 2 chains, well through this chain actually, through the next chain I'll make 1 double crochet. Through his next 2 chains I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through his next 2 chains I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. So I'll repeat this. I'll decrease through every chain. Now to finish row 14, right here through this next double crochet, not through this third chain but through this first double crochet, I'll make a slip stitch. Now I'll chain one, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 14. Now for row 15, right here through this first double crochet chain, I'll insert my hook, insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. I'll chain 3. Through these next 2 double crochets, I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains, I'll make 2 double crochet decrease. So I will decrease through every chain throughout row 15. Now to finish this row, right here through this first double crochet decrease, I'll make a slip stitch. I will chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn. So this completes row 15. Now for row 16, I'll use yarn in different color. Then right here through this first chain, insert my hook, then insert my hook through a slip knot loop and pull through. And then I'll chain 1, then through the first chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. Through these next 2 chains I'll make 2 half double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 2 half double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 2 half double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 2 half double crochet decrease. Through the next 2 chains I'll make 2 half double crochet decrease. Through this last chain I'll make 1/2 double crochet. And to finish this row, right here through this first half double crochet chain, I'll make a slip stitch, I'll chain 1, I'll leave a medium sized tail, then I'll cut this yarn. Now I'll close this loop with a yarn needle. So this is it. Okay, hold on. So it's 8.5 inches long, and it's 9.5 inches wide. If you want, you can make 1 row of half double crochets or single crochets around this area to make it fit your hat perfectly, but for me it fits just the way I want it, so I'm just going to leave it as it is. I like this pattern. Of course, the top here, as you can see, we deteriorated my pattern quite a lot, but it's still fine because, you know, it will be at the crown, so it's still fine. So this is all for today, guys, and I'll see you next time with another video.